Okay, I got this 6-pin, I believe, Dom from Sebastian, which is Potty 314 son. I picked one of his locks a few videos back, and honestly, I had fun picking it. Really did. So he made this lock for me. Lock works beautifully. I mean, it is smooth. It is locked up. Here's the bitting. I don't know how old Sebastian is. I'm not asking, that's personal information, but when he gets my age, and if he's still doing this between now and then, he's going to be a lock picking maker genius. I'm putting this in to protect the keyway, but also so it keeps my pick out of that little valley down there. So let's see what we got here. See what evilness Sebastian's done to me. Alright. I believe that was 3. Got a little slight turn on the core. Sorry. Alright. Okay. I believe that was 6. Counter on 4. I think it's safe to say that the core, at least, is threaded in this lock. Now I'm going to reset. My tension, fix it was slipping. So let's just go. I gotta make some new. Alright, there was the 2. I gotta make some new tension. Alright, I believe that was 4. That was 3. I had some counter rotation on 2, I believe, but I guess I did get it set. My pick slipped off. Alright, a little more on 5. Slight turn. Okay, slight turn off of 1. I believe that was 4. And it's open on 1. So I didn't get one set like I thought. So let's see, just to show. Let's see what evilness Seb or Sebastian. Trying not to call him Seb, but I saw it read on this and on this. Some people don't like to be called certain names, so we'll see what Mr. Sebastian has done to me here. And I'll be honest, I really enjoy picking his locks. If I could, I'd pick one of his every day. And if I remember, the last lock I picked, it was spool. Had quite a few spools in it. Okay, I already see. Okay, I thought that was milled out, which looks like they are some counter milling. Done. Yep, there's some counter milling. All 6 pins work beautifully. Of course, he's got a good teacher, Potty 314. He's a very good picker and challenge lock maker. When I was first learning to pick, his videos was one that I was watching a lot to try to figure it out and learn and all that good stuff. Okay, 1, 2, 4, and 6 are threaded. I knew we had some threading going on. So 3 and 4, or 3 and 5, sorry, isn't threaded. Sneaky, sneaky. But I love sneaky. Beautiful serrated pin with spring there. Another beautiful serrated. Well, we got standard. Number 2 spring still in it. Another beautiful serrated. Another one. And mushroom, is it? Or spool? And I wished I could have saw which spring come where, because they're all different springs. Let me arrange these. Okay. I just noticed this, but let's look in the Bible. No, I didn't think there was anything done to it. I gotta get a close-up of these pins, because this is just, I'm just amazed, I guess you could say. Here is a spool key pin, or I don't even know if you call that a spool. It's kind of shaped like a mushroom type, I guess. This is the first lock I ever had this in it as a key pin. And this one, if I can get a hold of it here, same, just a little bigger. This is a first. I don't know if this is standard or if they're handmade, but spool. And then these serrated. I mean, these pins are beautiful, beautifully done. Okay, I just noticed this. But this pin has wafers that move up and down. That's a first for me too. I think these are in the challenge lock Potty's got going around that I should be getting soon. But this is a first time for me to have a lock with that. Then that's standard. And another one. Okay, that's a beautiful serrated. Alright, that's the pins in this lock. Like I said, it's first for me on the key pins. That's a first for me, and these sliding wafers, that's first for me. Alright, Sebastian, thanks again. Really enjoyed this lock as well as I did the other one. Good job. Really appreciate it. And as always, everyone, be good, be safe, be legal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a good one. And Sebastian, like I said, good job. Really enjoyed this lock, and I do hope that I get some more from you. And I got one that I'm almost done making for you. Alright, thanks.